Welcome to AIME. Today in this video we are going to solve the two equations simultaneously. These equations belong to a system of non-linear equation and most people think about these equations are a complicated one. But you will see here inside this video how much easy it is. So let's begin our video. So our first equation is x plus xy plus y equal to 11. I am representing this equation as equation number 1, and our second equation is x square y plus y square x is equal to 30, and I am representing this equation as equation number 2. So in order to solve both of these equations, first we consider x plus y equal to u and xy equal to v. Now we will use first equation and we will replace the value of x plus y from u and xy from v, and equal to 11 is same as before. Now this positive v will move to the other side of the equation and we will get 11 minus v, and which is equation number 3. Now we will use second equation and we will take common xy from both of these value, and after taking xy from both of these value we will get xy as a common value, and x plus y after taking common will be the remainder, and equal to 30 is same as before. Now we will replace this x into y from v and this x plus y from u, and after replacing both of these value with u and v we will get u and v equal to 30, and this is the equation number 4. Now the next step, this u will move to the other side of the equation and we will get 30 over u, and this is equation number 5. Now in the next step, this v will insert inside the equation of equation 3. It means that this v of equation 3 will replace from 30 over u, and we will get u is equals to 11 minus 30 over u after replacing this v from this 30 over u. Now in the next step, we should simplify this condition by taking LCM, and we will get this u square is equals to 11u minus 30, because when this u will multiply with this 11 we will get 11u, and when this u will move to the other side of the equation it will multiply with this u and we will get u square. Now in the next step, both of these value move to the other side of the equation. When this minus u will move to the other side of the equation it will convert minus 11u, and this minus 30 will move to the other side of the equation, we will get plus 30 equal to u. Now you can see clearly inside this equation, this is a quadratic equation and this is a factorizable equation. Now we should factorize this equation for u, and you can see that this 30 which have the positive sign is the c of a quadratic equation, and having positive sign it means that the b of a quadratic equation will break in a same sign, and after factorizing this equation we will get u square minus 6u minus 5u plus 30 equal to 0. This u square and this positive 30 is same as before, but this 11u will break in 6 minus 6u minus 5u, because 6 5 is 30, and this is, and 6 minus 6 and minus 5 will be equal to minus 11. Now in the next step we should take common u from both of these value and we will get u minus 6 will be as a remainder, and minus 5 will take common from both of these value and u minus 6 will be a remainder. Now in the next step we should take common u minus 6 from the whole expression and u minus 5 will be the remainder, and is equals to 0 is same as before. Now in the next step we should take common u minus 6 is equal to 0 and u minus 5 is equals to 0. Now this minus 6 will move to the other side of the equation and we will get u is equals to 6, and this minus 5 will move to the other side of the equation and it will convert in the positive 5, and here we get two values for u. First u is equals to 6 and second is u is equals to 5. Now one by one we should put both of these value inside the equation number 5 to get the value of v. So first we put u is equals to 6 inside the equation number 5 and we will get v is equals to 5, because when this 30 will divide with this 6 we will get y is equals to 5, and here we get first order pair 6 comma 5 for the value of u and v. Now we should replace this 5 from this u, and we will get the value of v, which is 6, because when this 30 will divide with 5, we will get v is equals to 6. And here we get another order pair, which is 5 comma 6, which is the value for u and v. So here we get two order pair or two values for u and v. Now we should use these values to get original value of x and y, and we should use one by one these order pair to get the value of x and y. So first we use this value, which is 6 comma 5. So as we know that from our consideration or our supposition, x plus y is equals to u, but from according to these order pair, the value for the u is 6. So first we insert or replace this u with 6, and now this y will move to the other side of the equation, and we will get 6 minus y, because when this y will move to the other side of the equation, it will convert in a minus sign. And here I am representing this equation as equation number 6. Now from our consideration, x into y equal to v, and from this order pair we know that v is equal to 5. So we insert the value of v, which is equal to 5, inside this equation, and we will get xy is equal to 5. Now in the next step, we replace this x from this x 6 minus y. So when we replace this x from 6 minus y, we will get y into 6 minus y equal to 5, because this x will be replaced with this 6 minus y, but this y is same as before, this 5 is same as before. Now we should simplify for this equation. So this 5 will multiply both of these value, and we will get 6y minus y square equal to 5. Now both of these value move to the other side of the equation, and we will get y square minus 6y plus 5 equal to 0, because this is a y square having a minus sign, so it will move to the other side of the equation, and it will convert in a positive sign, and this positive 6y will move to the other side of the equation, and we will get minus 6y, and plus 5 is the same as before. You can see here this is a quadratic equation, and this is again another factorizable equation. So we will factorize this equation, and you can see that this 5 is having a positive sign, which is a c of a quadratic equation. It means that this c having a positive sign, it means that this b will break in a same sign. So after factorizing this equation, we will get y square minus 5y minus y plus 5 equal to 0, because both of these values same as before, but minus 5 and minus y, it will, both of these value after adding, it will be equal to minus 6, and 5 1 is 5. Now in the next step, we should take common y from both of these value, and we will get y minus 5, and minus 1 will take common from both of these value, and we will get y minus 5 as a common value. Now in the next step, we should take common y minus 5 from the whole expression, and we will get y minus 1 as a remainder, and equal to 0 is same as before. Now in the next step, we should take y minus 1 equal to 0, and this one will move, minus 1 will move to the other side of the equation, and here first we get the first value of y, which is equal to 1. Now we should take we should take y minus 5 equal to 0, and this minus 5 will move to the other side of the equation, and it will convert in a positive 5, and here we get another value for the y. So here we get two values for y, which first is y is equal to 1, and second is y is equal to 5. Now we should replace the value of y in the from 1 and 5 inside the equation number 6. So first we put the value of y is equal to 1 inside the equation number 6, and we will get 6 minus 1, because 6 minus 6 is same as before, and this 1 will replace from this y, and we will get 6 minus 1 as a expression, and we will get first value after subtracting both of these value for x, and here we get first value for the x, and here we get first order pair 5 comma 1 for the value of x and y after solving the whole condition. Now in the next step we should put this y inside the equation number 6 and we will get x is equal to 6 minus 5, and here we get another value for the x which is equal to 1. So here we get another order pair for the value of x and y which is 1, 5. So here we get two order pairs for the value of x and y which is 5, 1 first and second is 1, 5. Now we have solved and get the value of x and y for this order pair. Now we should use the another order pair for the value of u and v, and we will get another value of x and y. So the next order pair is 5, 6, and as our consideration x plus y is equals to u, and we will replace this u according to this order pair with 5, and we will get x plus y equal to 5. Now in the next step this y will move to the other side of the equation and we will get 5 minus 5 which is equal to x, and I am representing this equation as equation number 7. Now as we our consideration x into y equal to v, and according to this order pair this v is equal to 6. So here we replace this v from 6 and we will get x into y equal to 6. Now in the next step this x will replace with 5 minus y, and we will get, after replacing this x from 5 minus y, y into 5 minus y, and 6 is same as before. Now this y will multiply from both of these value and we will get 5y minus y square equal to 6. Now we will arrange these equations and we will get y square minus 5y plus 6 is equal to 0. Because this y square having a negative sign, it will move to the other side of the equation, and this positive y 5y will move to the other side of the equation and it will convert minus 5y plus 6 is equal to same as before and equal to 0 same as before. Now this is another quadratic equation and a factorizable equation. So here you can see that this positive 6 is a c of a quadratic equation which have the positive sign. It means that this b will break in the same sign, and after factorizing this equation we will get y square minus 3y minus 2y plus 6. Now we will take common y from both of these value and we will get y minus 3, and minus 2 will take common from both of these value and we will get y minus 3 as a common value. Now after taking common y minus 3 from the whole expression we will get y minus 2 as a remainder which is equal to 0. Now we will take common y minus 3 equal to 0, and this minus 3 will move to the other side of the equation and we get the second value for the y, third value for the y which is equal to 3. Now we should take common y minus 2 equal to 0, and this minus 2 will move to the other side of the equation and we get the fourth value for the y which is equal to y minus 2. Now we should put 1 by 1 y is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2 inside the equation number 7 to get the value of x. So first we put y is equal to 3 inside the equation number 7 and we will get 5 minus 3, and here we get third value for x which is equal to 2. And now we should put another order pair 2, 3 for the value of x and y. Now we should put the value of y is equal to 2 inside the equation number 7 and we will get x is equal to 5 minus 2 and we get x is equal to 3 after subtracting both of these value. And now here we get another order pair which is 3, 2 and the value for the x and y. So we get the third order pair as a 2, 3 and fourth order pair is 3, 2. So here we get the 4 values for the x and y, and this question is end here. I hope you all like this video, or this video will be very useful to all of you. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.